Hi everybody, this is Joe with Joe's Premium Firewood, bringing another fun-filled, exciting video. In this video, I'm out in Kenny's woods, and we're cutting up a bunch of ash here. Mike's been cutting all morning, while Rebel and I we did a delivery, and now Rebel's ready to start running the saw. I don't know, some of you guys think girls don't know how to run a saw, but I tell you what, she's better than some guys I know. It's worked for me. So, all right, I guess with further ado, fire up the saw, Rebel, and cut this log into 16-inch pieces. Use a steel MS-170. Just leave that for boiler wood. Go ahead and cut a couple pieces off of that. Can you come through the bottom once? You try coming through the bottom of it? No, not there. The next cut. Yeah. Just try to get good footing, because I know you're on the side of the hill. Hold on. Go a little bit farther. Go 16 inches. Yeah, right there. Got it off. Now go ahead and roll that over. And you got it. So there's all kinds of ash up in here they're cutting. Mike's been dropping trees all morning. You can see, and they're working in this valley. It's kind of steep hill. So it's going to be fun getting the quad up in here in the trailer and hauling this out. But if Mike says he can do it, they can do it. So I guess with that concludes today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. And as always, like Joe's Premium Firewood on Facebook and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Peace.